Whether you're in a rut or you want to level up your business and your life, this is the way to do it. Today, I'm going to show you how to subconsciously brainwash yourself into believing in yourself and getting to that next level, even if you're in a rut right now. Open up ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, whatever AI tool you use most frequently. Use this prompt. Based on everything we've talked about and what you know about me, what are the songs I consciously or subconsciously need to hear in order to get to my next level life? So it's going to tell you all the things that you need to hear. For me, it gave me about 10 things. And then I asked it to summarize that and write it like a song maker who would need to read it in order to make an epic, iconic song. So here it's going to come up with some lyrics, some of the ideas. Now I want you to interview me about the kind of music that moves me. So I want something that is going to make me feel like, oh yeah, I can do it, invincible. But I'm not a musical person, so I don't really know how to describe the music I like. So I asked it to ask me questions in layman's terms. It would ask me questions and I answered them. I also gave it some examples of the kinds of songs that I like. Then I asked it to look at the songs that we talked about earlier, the songs that it was creating from the things that I needed to hear. And I asked it to describe what each song is about, the key things that should be in it, and the music style. I asked it to be very descriptive and specifically said I'm going to add these into Suno. Suno is an AI music app. I am a huge fan of it. I use it anytime I'm going on a road trip. We come up with our own playlist. It's a lot of fun. I'll drop my affiliate link below as well. It's going to get you 250 free credits on Suno. So here it broke down everything. It gave me the song, what it's about, the key lyrical elements, the music style. Now I go to suno.com. And once you've signed up, logged in, you're going to go to create. And here's where we're going to add in the information we got from ChatGPT, Claude, whatever tool it is that you're using. I'm going to copy and paste what it's about, the key lyrical elements, and also the music style, plus keywords. Then there's a song description. I'm going to paste in the information, and I can add in other things if I wanted to. Let's say I wanted this to be EDM disco. I could do the plus sign here to give it more information. And then once I'm done, I'll click create. If it doesn't let you click create, you can hover over to see why. Typically, it's going to be because it's too long. So now I need to see how I can reduce this a little bit. And if you can't get it short enough on your own, then I'm going to take it back to ChatGPT and say, this needs to be shorter, and paste that in. Then it's going to make it shorter. Once you made it short enough, the create button will come up for you. You'll be able to click it, and it's going to give you a few options. So this one is 159, this is 213. Let's say I like some of it, but not all of it. I can click where it says remix and edit, and I can either extend it, which means make it longer. I can mash it up with a different song. I can adjust the speed, the style, the lyrics. So let's say I really like one piece of it, but I don't like all of it. This is where I would go to make those edits. And then when you're done, you can click the three dots and you can either add it to a playlist, you can download it, you can publish it. Once I finish the first one, I'll make a few others so that I have a full-on playlist. Let's go ahead and listen to what one of these are. So we have cinematic, indie pop, dark feminine energy, slow build, anthem, emotional bridge. And you'll see there's this little line here. That means that it's still generating. Okay, so the first one that it gave me is a little bit too slow for me. I want it to be a little bit faster. Let's see. So I'm going to say, instead of dark cinematic indie pop, I think just indie pop. And I'm going to even say indie folk pop, I think is really what I'm looking for. Let's see. Instead of slow build, I'm going to say fast build. We'll see what happens. Okay, so then we're going to press enter on that again and see what we get. This is a lot more my style than these other two. My tongue. Okay, I am obsessed with this. I can't wait to add this to my playlist. And just like that, you have your new playlist. My name is Brittany Long. I show entrepreneurs how to use AI in a meaningful way so you can get to that next level while having a regret-free life. If you like this video, click subscribe so that you can see more like this.